Horses out here, pencil away, past the begin, and on the outside is Yamo Pamilya, racing in third position, is chasing a dream, Wilkoski comes next, Janelle's episode, Home Run Babe, and Joyful Life, is the early trailer, pencil away, and Yamo Pamilya, fighting it out for the lead, a length back in third, Wilkoski, and on the outside, for chasing a dream, Janelle's episode, Home Run Babe, and Joyful Life still racing in Nazareth, still pencil away by Avaralenka. Siamo Pamilya remains in second. Wilkoski is down on the inside third. 2 lengths in fourth, chasing a dream, Janelle's episode, Home Run Babe, and Joyful Life. Barrett still pencil away by about 2 lengths. Siamo Pamilya still in second, chasing a dream now coming closer in third. Wilkoski dressed back in fourth, Janelle's episode in fifth, then comes Joyful Life and Home Run Babe. And that's still pencil away by about 2 lengths. Siamo Pamilya chasing a dream is on the outside third, but it's still pencil away this time by about 2 lengths. Chasing a dream now in second, Siamo Pamilya as they come down at the last 150. And that's still pencil away now, strides away by about 4 lengths. Chasing a dream, Siamo Pamilya, and nearing a finish line. It's a back-to-back win for Jackie Mark Angelo Alvarez, this time on pencil away. Second, chasing a dream. Then comes Siamo Pamilya, Janelle's episode, Wilkoski, Joyful Life, Home Run Babe.
Tawa ka ng tao dyan, senyor, ha?